In this video, I'm going to show you a major learning hack that is going to vastly improve the speed at which you are learning. We are going to be using Google Gemini, NotebookLM, and Google Docs, and I'm going to show you exactly how to combine these different tools to start researching with AI like a pro and start learning much faster. We are here in Google Gemini. I have asked it to become a master researcher and prepare a deep research prompt for exploring the conversational AI device market and features available right now. This is a topic that has been on my mind for quite a while, and as you can see over here, it prepared this professional grade research prompt, and then I just clicked on Start Research, and then in a couple of minutes this report was ready. So then let me just show you this quick workflow that is going to really make an impact on how fast you can learn with the use of AI. So let's say that now we want to absorb all of this information as fast as possible. You can just read it here, but I don't think this is the most effective way to do it. So instead, we will just click on Share and Export, and then you can export it to Google Docs. Now we have this full file ready in Google Docs, and I don't know if you were aware, but if you are an auditory learner, there is something that is absolutely going to blow your mind in Google Docs right now. It has this listen to this tab feature. So let's just
an executive analysis of the conversational AI device market stated.
It's capped at 20,000 characters, but this will be mostly enough to read this full document. Let's just see over here we have 40,000, but then it also includes some of these sources here at the end. So actually it would be able to read most of this document for you. As you can see, it can create up to 24 minutes more or less of audio, and over here you can change the playback speed. So I usually set it to something like 1.75, and over here you can change the voice, so you can choose from a couple of different voices. Actually I like this one the most, the educator one. And over here, you can just float this thing so it's out of the way. And now, at least this is something that is working for me exceptionally well. I will just hit play, and then I will read the whole document along with this AI-generated narrator. This actually focuses my attention really intensely, so the recollection of all of this information from this document is going to be much faster. But now we are also going to combine this with the NotebookLM. Okay, so now we are in NotebookLM, which is an absolute game changer when it comes to learning, and we will just click on Create New and then Upload Sources, and we are going to choose that specific Google Doc from our Google Drive. Okay, so now this new source over here is loaded. The really cool thing is not actually the video overview reports. I'm not really using this so much, although it's really exceptional as well. But then when it comes to these learning hacks, there is this audio overview over here, which you can just click, and now it has these advanced functions. So we can choose from deep dive, brief, critique, or debate. So I usually choose deep dive, and then I use it to set it to a little bit longer. So then it's going to have almost all of the information that was included in that original report. And then you can even choose the language over here, and you can even say what the AI hosts should focus on in this episode. Okay, so you just choose the option that is right for you, and then you just click on Generate. And in a couple of minutes, we will have a full audio overview from this full report. So in this way, you have this beautiful, really detailed audio overview of the thing that you are researching. So you can kind of listen to it in this more conversational way. So there's a talk between these two hosts, but you can also just choose to listen to it in full over here in Google Docs. And another thing is that I like to create these learning moments throughout my day. So I often just hop onto Docs on my phone, on my, let's say, Pixel phone. And you can see that we have this full document over here as well. So I'm just reading it. Let's say if I want to really get familiar with some kind of a topic, I would just read it while, waiting in line somewhere or waiting for somebody. And in this way, I can really learn a lot with this little kind of mostly free Google ecosystem and tools. So I hope that you have found this video useful. And if you want to see another trick for proper learning with AI, I suggest you watch the next video over here. And I'm going to see you in the next one.